it will be one family, one future of Bangladesh, which indicates that the entire world is a family.
Yes, my friend, I agree with you. Currently, G20 is presidency over, and a 1 December 2022 to peace 30.
Yes, my friend, I agree with you. As we know that the G20 summit is hosting by the India, and it is very good for our nation because the many presidents of G20 summit members come to the India and they check the India's behavior, and if they check the behavior of India is very good, they come in the India and
Yes, my friend.
Also check the climate change in India and every country, and what is the GDP level of economic situation in any country.
Because the Ukraine war increased oil rate is all over the world and increased day by day.
8% time G20 president our Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
G20 will also provide a platform to India to showcase its cultural values, also its best practices like digitalization and UPI.
Yes, my friend, I agree with you because it gives a platform in G20 governance and financial ministers to increase their social and financial.
as we know that in the G20 summit many nations are involved, and if they are
Yes,
come
my
to the country and
Main team of
they
the
change the
G20
behavior, and if the behavior is so good, the relationship between the India and the foreign countries is increased, and if in the future any crisis like Sri Lanka, they provide us to the money for to stable our economy.
Friends, G20 team is one family, one future, and
Yes, my friend, I agree with you. It's provide us a chance for our developed our country.
G20 basically main team of the World Trade G20 basically platform of central government, central bank governor and financial minister.
G20 plays a crucial role in administration of architectural and economic sustainability.
Yes, I agree with you. And to improve the economic industry sector in every country, and
G20 team of
the 18th summit will be held in India, and in India will discuss on the climate change and global economical conditions.
Yes, my friend, I agree with you. But the ISM movement, our country say other country that is our concept India started.
The team of Bali, Indonesia was recovered together, and the 18th G20 was held in India, and the theme of India's G20 was one earth, one future, one family, and Vasudev Kutumbakam.
Yes, my friend, I agree with the member of G20 is also both of the developed country and developing country, and the developed country also provide the platforms to developing country to increase our economies, and
In G20, 19 countries are including that supports that gives 85% of all over world GDPs and 75% of trade in all over the world.
yes, I
G20 have discussed 1 year in one times. G20 is participate in 19 countries.
Yes, my friend, I agree with you. It is when him represent our lifestyle and importance of life.
Yes, my friend, I agree with you. India held presidency in time 1 December 2022 to 13 November 2023.
Yes, my friend, I have very most important opportunity for India because it's very beneficial for our economical conditions.
Yes, I make summit held every year, and all the finance minister of the all countries and bank manager all discuss about the economic condition of all over the world.
yes, my friend, I agree with the 17th summit held in Bali, Indonesia, and the 18th summit held in India, and its best opportunity to India to show her.
Main motive of this summit discuss about crisis of job and in pandemic time and
discuss about economic system and stability global.
Yes, my friend, I am agree with you. Some G20 are also going to help some countries who loses their economy in Corona pandemic, and they can G20 members all then can improve their health, improve to their countries.
Yes, my
I
friend,
think
I
some-
agree with G20 18 summit is the presidency in India from 1 December 2022 to 30 November 2023.
The objective of G20 is to discuss on the global stability and sustainable economic development of all over the countries.
In 17th presidency in India in 2022 and 18th.
Yes, I am agree with you. G20 is many motive of like economical, climate change and regular development of many countries.
In it, discuss about Russia, Ukraine warriors and change climate.
Under India's presidency of 18th summit of G20, the main objective of it will be the economic stability and growth along with the climate crisis.
It is very helpful for a membership countries, because any country is threatened by any crisis, and any crisis the member countries help us to rising its economics.
The G20 is overheaded to India on 26th November 2022 to 30th December 2023, and
India did one of those G20 meeting in Kashmir. We sent a message to the entire world that the Kashmir has changed after the abrogation of Article 370.
Yes, I agree with you, my friend. If best economic countries invest in small country, they will increase GDP day by day.
Yes, my friend, I
Yes,
agree
friend,
with
but
you.
according to
First G20 is founded in 1999, but currently it participates 19 countries.
Yes, my friend, I agree with you. It is very important for India because through this, India's GDP will grow and India's relation between other countries will be strong.
Yes, my friend, I agree with you. I think G20 summits are very beneficial for us because we impress investors to invest in India.
the G20 was formed on 26th September 1999 and consists 19 countries.
It is the best way to make relations to other countries, and because of it every country increase their GDP level.
It helps the India to make a powerful nation and increase the employment in India.
The G20
Represent
was
a dream of India, very stronger and very.
The G20 is held in Srinagar intentionally because the India give a message to terrorism that it is a new India.
Yes, I agree with you, my friend. But it take all the country will friendship and love because its slogan is one family, one earth, and one future.
And
The importance of this theme is to importance of live. Yes, my friend, I agree with you. As the chest number 302 say that the terrorism is decreased in India because the G20 summit is held in the Jammu Kashmir, and it is the message for the terrorism countries like Pakistan that